Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 3. We are just moving right along through the term, and in week 3, we are going to cover chapter 4 in the text. And let me open that to see if that opens. So I want to get it here for us. So it's basically the underpinnings of financial forecasting, which is a very important part of finance analysis and work in general. And interestingly enough, it's the type of thing that most managers that are in a position to um, budget and drive the business are going to be very familiar with these tools as well as they should be. So it's not just the realm of finance. This is the kind of thing that what you would use in many aspects of business. Okay, so there's a lot of things we're going to look at in it, but um, we're going to think about how we use the three financial statements to help us do forecasting through using something called pro forma statements. We're going to talk about how forecasting is actually made. There's a lot of different ways to potentially do that. You're going to look at a few of those methods. Um, and under any circumstance, the forecasting process will then ultimately tell us what we're going to need from the in terms of financial resources to actually make our objectives work. So it's a real interesting chapter. I think you'll probably enjoy it. And certainly, if you have any questions as you're going through it, let me know. As always, the homework's due this Wednesday. Have read through the chapter, and don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. Be happy to answer them for you. Okay, good luck with it, and we'll talk to you next week.